One of the things that really sets us apart from others is that we will go. We will actually go to the property, we'll take a look at the property, we'll inspect it. It's really important to understand exactly how damage works when it actually happens to your building.
The fact that we bring cases to trial puts us on insurance companies' radars. They're going to make that extra effort to put the money on the line to settle it because they know we're not scared.
If you're looking for an attorney that's going to understand what you're going through, you should give us a call.